Hey YouTube, this is NJ Forwater, and I figured I'd give you guys a quick update. It's probably going to be a while before I produce any more videos. I have a ton of projects planned. The only problem is I have a power wall that's taking up all of my time, and it is slow going for me. Right now I got my Headway cells from alarm hookup. I figured I'd test those real quick before I get started on my power wall again. Testing seems to be going pretty slow. I guess I'm limited by the IMAX B6 and the IMAX B6 clone. Excuse my mess, I'm going to show you what I got going on in my little area. The few days ago, you'll see a video of it upcoming. I took all the batteries and arranged them in each pack, arranged them by pack with the what is that called, the pack builder bopper from online, the pack repacker or whatever that is. Anyways, I took that, and it took me at least, I mean, it had been like 12 to 14 hours to divide all these cells up, because each cell belonged to a specific pack and all that good junk. So these should be almost perfect. They've been tested, double tested. They all have capacities over 2200, all the way up to 2700. I'm gonna take them, then I'm gonna pull the skins off, re-sleeve them, get the pack ready for soldering, and that should be it. I also have over here 22 350 farad Maxwell capacitors. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I have a plan. I really liked my capacitor welder. The capacitor welder so far, out of all the welds I've done with all the welders, next to my latest 2 by 7.2 amp hour UPS battery build, those 2 welders are, man, those weld almost flawlessly. The capacitor welder I have is pretty good. The only problem is, I gotta wait in between welds, and you don't want to rotate too fast. It's only, it says 2 farad. I bet you it's maybe a half farad at best. I've got all these. I'm thinking about putting them in parallel series and making a capacitor welder that I can weld constantly. I really like the welds that I get from a capacitor welder. And that is just 3 of the I guess projects I have going on. I still have the rework on this. This is the very first power supply I ever built. I could turn it on at any time and do whatever I need. I'm going to make a more up-to-date one with a 29 amp 12 volt power supply, computer power supply. It's going to be hybrid. It's going to look almost kind of the same. On one side it's going to have all your 's your negative 12, 3, 5, 12, and then you connect over to here to get your readout right here. I think on this one I'm going to add an amp meter, because I'm going to be using that a lot for a charging station I have. That's another thing I got going. I don't even know where all that stuff is. There's my charging TP4056s. There's all my charging boards. So I've got that charging station. That puts that to shame. That's just something I threw together one day. I still got that. I've got these rebuilds. Right now I'm working on the power wall. I'm probably going to alternate between the power wall and projects, because I don't want to get behind, and I still want to produce videos. I don't want to lose, the subscribers I got, and I would love to have even more subscribers. So I want to keep producing videos. Hopefully it's good content. I appreciate all the feedback. I guess if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll check you out on my next video. Thanks for watching.